Okay, so what I'm going to do today is clean up all the boxer bits and just maybe put the engine back on the frame, but I've left this soak overnight. This is the chain. So yeah, I'm going to take all the chain out and sort that out, and then these are the suspension arms. They're plastic. I've cleaned them up a bit. They're quite hard to get in there. I might give these a quick paint, I'm not sure. Or I might put the bike together again, then take one of these off at a time and repaint them. I don't know, I'm not sure. So I'm having a look to see if I can get some new ones. I'd like some newer ones, maybe just some slightly firmer ones or something, just in case. But that's kind of cool that it's got like suspension, it's not a hardtail. I really was like, oh hang on, it's actually got suspension. Clean the chain up, it's actually come up much better, and there's no kinks or anything like that. It seems nothing seized. So there's the stuff in there. If you read the manuals, the old manuals, it even says take the chain off and soak in paraffin to clean the chain. So they kind of recommend you take it off. And I've got master link, split pin, what's it called? Split link? Whatever it is, yeah. Now I'm going to tidy up these pedals. This one's moving freely, but this one is seized. So maybe this one will work, I don't know. I think once upon a time there was chrome on this. So I'm just going to look at the spokes. Or get some rust remover out, I think. Whenever I do painting, like stuff like this and the bike and stuff, it's like minimum of 3 days. Because I clean it up, I prime it, leave it for 24 hours, paint it, a few coats, 15 minutes between each coat, then I leave it 24 hours again, and I lacquer it a couple of times, and then it's ready. So today I'm going to be cleaning up the wheels. I'll just put the rust stuff on now. Hopefully I can prime it all this evening. Yeah. I mean, that's what slows you down, sort of thing, because you'll find a part and you're like, you know what, I'm going to paint it. And it takes me 3 days to do that, so it gives you an idea of how long it takes. And I've got Nissan Gold, so I'm going to use up all my spray paint. So the bike's going to be red with gold wheels. Red primer, but it should work. It'll bring out a gold anyway. Actually, I've managed to use up most of my spray paint. Just got some white, that's it really. I haven't got any grey primer, but that's alright. I think red primer will be fine. Alright, cleaned, rust removed-ish. Should be good. Let's take this up and prime it, I guess. Tyre off, I've primed it. But yeah, this one had rim tape, well mostly. I'm going to re-rim tape it at the end. I took the other one off. No rim tape whatsoever, so hopefully I've got some spare rim tape in here still. Good, I had some left over when I did the tubeless conversion. I need to go to the bin because they got cracks and stuff in them. So I thought while I'm priming them, I'll prime these. I found some grey primer, so I can grey prime them and then paint them. Well, paint these ones black and these ones gold. I think I've got just enough black paint to do that. These are now primed. Just got to let them dry for a day. Ordered 2 new tyres. I managed to find an exhaust, so I bought a new exhaust. So hopefully that'll be within a couple of weeks, hopefully arriving. And what else did I buy? Spark plugs, little things here and there. Yeah.
24 hours later.
We're painting, so this is all primed. I'm going to paint. I think I'm going to do the spokes black. I'll see if I can do that. And I'll do the wheels gold. I'm just using up all my spare paint because I'm running out of paint up there. But yeah, I can use up all this old spare paint. No, what's that, a 10? Where's my WD? Okay. Oh. Might need a bigger lever for this. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Can I smell it back? Thank you. These are very stiff, but they are moving. When they stop moving, that's the problem. I'm just watching it to make sure it is moving. Okay. Wow. If there was going to be a bolt that was going to die on me, I really thought it would be that one. Luckily I've got the book. Otherwise I think I'd be stuck. Wasn't sure how that went in, but I've got that in. And these wheels drying nicely. They look alright, just to touch them up with a bit of paint. So probably just finish this can off on both of these, and that's roughly 1 can of paint. It'll be roughly one, however much I've got left of that. It's probably about 1 can between both of them because I had half, which is alright. These wheels are not that big, so it's probably about what you need. Not sure what to do with the engine. So I can't mount the engine until I've got the wheels back on, and I can't put the wheels back on until I've got the new tyres. So it's going to be like this for a while, probably. Yeah, just gotta wait now for if I can get tyres or not. I suppose I can get to lacquer these tomorrow. Lacquer the ends of these off, just paint them black. Maybe I should paint them red, but black's alright.
24 hours later.
Right, well, it's actually gone a bit chilly. And the sun's gone and everything's gone dark, and it's all horrible now. It's all doom and gloom. And I've been a few days actually since I've done anything, because I had to stop because I ran out of lacquer. What I thought was lacquer was actually gloss white spray paint. So I ordered another can online. Take a week to come. But yeah, I've got that, so I can finish them wheels off. They've been painted, and what also came in the post is that's another part, but I got some tyres. Now these are weird sizes, a little bit hard to come by or find. I think these are my favourite brand, Heidenau. So yeah, I think this should be okay to fit. Hopefully they will work alright. I let it get a bit messy because I wasn't doing any work really, and I was just drying stuff in here. So yeah, sort this all out a bit, tidy it up, make some space. That's a bit tidier. Right, the only thing that I'm going to do today is probably going to die of door. I just sprayed these wheels with lacquer. So, got some tyres here, I'm going to fit them to there. Also been trying to help my friend, Marky, who just picked himself up a little bike. I've been sending him pictures of where stuff goes and stuff because he's not sure about it. He's got himself a nice little 1960 Honda Cub. So, yeah, I've infected him and converted him over. So he's in, unfortunately now. So we'll probably have to go for a ride together at some point if we can get our lockdown projects ready. Lockdown Cubs, we'll go out for a ride. Anyway, these tyres, yep, I found some 19-inch, weird shape, weird sizes. Who make them? Heidenau, the crazy German company, I tell you. And so that means that pretty much all my bikes are running Heidenau tyres. You know, it's my tyre of choice, that is now. Very hard tyre. So what we got the C90's on that one. This is going to be on that one. The CRF's on this, and the BMW are on Heidenau's. 4 out of 8 bikes. Is it 4 out of 8? CRF. Oh no, the C200. The C200 even has a set of Heidenau tyres for it as well. Yeah, so that's 5 out of 8 bikes are running Heidenaus in my collection. Yeah, I don't know. I seem to like these tyres. They're quite a thick rubber, which makes them a bit trickier to fit. More chance of scratching up. Right, let's hope these fit, because these aren't the correct size. These are not 100% the same sizes to what were on the bike, but these are the only sizes I could find. So if I asked around, they said it should fit. So should be fine. Anyway, if it's rubbing, then I'm sure it will sort itself out later on, like when I fitted the other tyres the other C90 did. Right, now I've got to work out which was forward. Oh, it's going to be a bit of a pain.